Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad you dropped by because today we're diving into something super exciting that could genuinely change how you approach online marketing, content creation, and affiliate campaigns. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to come up with high-converting ads, consistent social media content, or just keeping up with all the platforms out there, you're going to want to stick around for this one. I've been testing out a new AI tool called Beaver AI, and I have to say, I was skeptical at first. But after playing around with it for a few days, I'm actually really impressed with what it can do. Let's start with what makes Beaver AI stand out. This platform is built for affiliate marketers, small business owners, content creators, and agencies who want to save time while keeping their content sharp and competitive. What blew my mind first was how easy it is to spy on your competitors' ads. You literally just type in a keyword or a competitor's name, hit search, and boom, you're shown a list of their active ads that are currently running and performing. This is a huge deal because you know the ads you're seeing are already working. You're not guessing. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from proven success. And here's the cool part: once you find an ad you like, you can just swipe it into your Beaver account with one click. The system will automatically recreate the ad using your own product or service. It copies the style, tone, and structure of that winning ad. Honestly, the results are incredibly close. You just fill in a few details like your product name and niche, hit generate, and in seconds you've got an ad that feels professional, polished, and ready to go. I've tried similar tools in the past, but Beaver AI's speed and accuracy really set it apart. But it doesn't stop at ads. This platform covers everything from Google search ads to Instagram posts, YouTube scripts, TikTok content, and even LinkedIn ads. I was also surprised to see that it can write full email campaigns and even organic social media posts. One feature I loved was the 7-day fan page autopilot. You choose your niche like fitness or beauty, and within seconds, the platform generates a full week of Facebook posts, complete with text and suggested scheduling. And the best part, you don't have to leave the dashboard to post. You can publish or schedule everything right from inside the platform. And let's talk engagement for a second. The example post generated from Beaver AI got over 60 comments on Facebook, which shows the content isn't just filler, it actually gets people talking. It's nice to see an AI tool that isn't just pumping out generic copy but creating stuff that resonates with real audiences. You can even edit everything on the fly, add emojis, adjust the length, rewrite it in a different tone, or ask the AI to punch it up a bit. And yes, you can even tell the Beaver to make it funnier, more dramatic, or more persuasive. It's kind of like having a creative team at your fingertips 24/7. Beaver AI also integrates directly with major affiliate platforms like ClickBank, Digistore, and Warrior Plus, which makes launching affiliate campaigns way easier. You can generate a full promotional sequence without bouncing between tabs or writing from scratch. It helps keep your workflow smooth. And if you are someone who's juggling multiple offers or managing client work, this alone can save you hours each week. What really caught my attention, though, is the launch offer they're running right now. During the launch window, they're giving access to all 7 of their so-called Beavers: Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and VideoScript for the price of just one. And it's a one-time payment, not a subscription. That's honestly kind of rare in this space where everything seems to come with monthly fees. They're also offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is always good to see, especially if you are trying something new and not sure if it is a fit. Overall, I think Beaver AI is one of the most practical and well-thought-out tools I've seen lately for marketers and business owners who want real results without spending endless hours writing, designing, or testing. It doesn't just promise automation, it delivers on it in a way that's fast, intuitive, and surprisingly fun to use. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your content game, this tool might just be the sidekick you didn't know you needed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, click the link below to get this program and be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tools you're currently using or what you'd like me to review next. See you in the next video.